Hey everybody, in this video I want to explain what a build workshop is. As the word explains itself, a build workshop is a workshop where something is being built. But what is being built? Who builds it? Who are the people training other people building it? And why is it being built? Let me get to the first point, what is being built? We've seen workshops where cargo bikes have been built, CNC mills, 3D printers, laser cutters and other digital production tools have been built. We've seen workshops where biogas plants and also solar charge management systems have been built, but also less complex products have been built, such as textiles, furniture, balance boards, and other small, funny gadgets you need in everyday life. Who are the people building it? You, me, everybody you know. Because build workshops are for everybody. We've seen people at the age of 76 participating in workshops. We've seen people at the age of 30, 20, 40. There's no age group not involved. Also children at the age of 5 have participated in build workshops. Who are the people training other people? Well, those people are required to have a lot of skill with the digital production tools used in fab labs, such as CNC mill, 3D printer, laser cutter, lots of hand tools, all the safety precaution rules involved in running a fab lab, and also be familiar with training other people, right? Why do we do all this? Well, there are several reasons. The first reason is, it's a lot of fun to build something. You will see, once you build what you use in everyday life, you have a much stronger connection to it. Secondly, it doesn't only connect you to the thing, but it also connects you to the community you live in. Inside of Fab Labs, where lots of workshops take place, people from all over this part of the city come together, get to know each other, and learn from each other. What can be better to build a good community? And last but not least, it's about developing open source hardware that can be seen and used, produced, edited, and made better all over the world. So once you develop your own open source hardware, and maybe given your own workshop, you will find out a lot more that you can do better, and you will improve by using the knowledge, skill, and ideas of people from all over the world. So a build workshop is something that benefits many people in many ways.